Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best reusable sandwich bags that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Stasher Reusable Silicone Food Bag. After seeing Stasher bags all over the internet, I had high hopes for the silicone bag. However, I found that the thick material squished the sandwiches and it took quite a bit of effort to get them through the opening and some of the bread ripped in the process. I also had to flip the sandwiches around a bit to get them to fit. But smaller sandwiches had no problems fitting. The silicone material is quite sturdy, giving the bag additional functions other than just holding sandwiches. The Stasher bags can also be used for cooking, including techniques like sous vide, are oven safe, and are a good size for holding various snacks and small toiletry items when traveling. At number 4. Stasher Platinum Silicone Food Grade Reusable Storage Bag. The world's first fully functional, self-sealing, reusable alternative to single-use plastic bags. Plus, unlike traditional single-use plastic bags, Stasher bags contain no BPA, no PVC, and no latex. Keep your food safe from contaminants in Stasher bags. Stasher was born from an unwavering commitment to reduce single-use plastics. Some might call it an obsession. We'd call it a passion for a better world. We are a proud member of 1% for the planet. That means 1% of all our sales go to high-impact non-profits that protect our ocean. Our mission is to provide a reusable alternative to disposable plastic baggies and single-use plastic containers. Stasher is made of pure platinum silicone and is plastic and BPA-free with no fillers. At number 3. ReZip Lay Flat Lunch Leakproof Reusable Storage Bag. Our ReZip storage solutions are designed to fit seamlessly into your life. From food on the go to phone accessories, from makeup and beauty items to school supplies, for any storage or organization need. ReZips are food grade, freezer safe and reusable. Simple, flexible and just right. 1. ReZip replaces up to 300 disposable baggies. Available in a variety of sizes, shapes and colors. Leak-proof and lightweight, easy to take anywhere. On-the-go airtight storage for everything from pretzels to pencils to pacifiers. Airtight and freezer safe, for both dry food storage and leftovers. Perfect for bulk grocery items without having to change container at home. TSA-friendly solutions for organizing all your small travel items. Transparent design allows for a quick glance at contents inside. At number 2. Lunchskins Reusable 2-Piece Food Storage Bag Set. Lunchskins products reduce single-use plastic pollution right from your kitchen counter. Our dishwasher-safe reusable bags can be used again and again, and our paper bags are easy to use once and toss responsibly. Our paper straws are long-lasting and naturally compostable and biodegradable. Hate throwing away all those plastic bags? Our reusable sandwich bags are the perfect replacement for single-use plastic bags. These stylish dishwasher-safe bags are durable and best of all easy to clean. Perfectly sized for sandwiches and much more. Finally at number 1. Simple Modern Ellie Reusable Snack Sandwich Bag Food Storage. Take your favorite snacks, meals and treats on the go with Simple Modern's new Ellie Reusable Snack Bags. Every time you wash and reuse these durable bags, you'll be reducing your consumption of single-use plastic baggies that end up in landfills and harm the environment. Each bag features a sturdy zipper that allows the bag to open wide for easy access, plus it has reinforced stitching that can withstand uses for years to come. Since the Ellie reusable snack bags are made from 210D polyester and have a water-resistant coating, keeping them clean is easy. Just toss them in the washing machine and line dry. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.